Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today, in my review, I have an unusual blockchain project, which, it seems to me, can interest in many investors with that concept. The name of the project is LEND7. It's currently under development, but upon its release, LEND7 will become a platform at the edge of decentralized finance and the real sector. With LEND7, anyone will be able to make investments in real estate that have been digitized in the format of NFT tokens. Sounds rather unusual, but the LEND7 team described the concept in detail on their website and as well in their documentation. After the launch of LEND7, any property owner will be able to add their asset to the platform listing. The LEND7 team will audit and evaluate it and then release unique NFT tokens for that property. After that, an investor will be able to purchase these NFT tokens in a few clicks. It's important to keep in mind that the owners of such NFTs will also have full ownership rights to the digitized property. Besides other things, they will be able to make a profit, for example, from its rent. Only with a correction for the fact that if one particular building, office or apartment is divided into several NFTs, then the rights and the profit will be evenly divided between all the holders of those irreplaceable tokens. Therefore, the LEND7 team will be able to solve all the most important problems of the modern real estate market with their product: high cost, complexity and low liquidity. Not every investor can afford to buy whole property. The purchase process involves a lot of paperwork and legal complexities, and if something happens, you will not be able to sell your property quickly. Then it comes to NFT. The whole process will be as simplified and automated as possible. Walking through LEND7 will retain all the advantages of real estate investments, such as reliability, but will get rid of all their disadvantages. In addition, it's important to note that another plus of LEND7 platform will be transparency. This will be achieved through the use of smart contracts, through which anyone can track the entire history of transactions, and through extensive interactions with the community too. For example, the LEND7 team plans to actively engage in charity, donating a significant portion of its income to the fight against cancer and medical research. But all of this will only happen once the project is fully launched. Right now, the LEND7 project is in the development and fundraising stages. The demo version of the platform will appear in the third quarter of this year. In the fourth quarter, they plan to license and launch the initial centralized version of the LEND7 platform. In the second quarter of the next year, the decentralized LEND7 platform will launch on the Cardano test network, and after a successful test, there will also be a release on the mainnet, followed by the release on LEND7 mobile apps, on the App Store and Play Market. Actually, yes, the entire LEND7 platform will run on the Cardano blockchain. Among other things, the project's own tokens, called LEND7 coin, will be minted on it. The total issue of these tokens is limited to 700 million. Half of them will be sold at the sales. 6% will remain with the team and advisors. 15% will go to the capital pool, 20% to the project treasury, and 9% will be spent on marketing and development of the project. If you want to invest in tokens, LEND7 coin, at the moment they have an active phase of private sale. It takes place on the official website of the project, and to take part in it, you must send a request to the LEND7 team. It's necessary to specify your contact information and the estimated amount of investment. Private investors in LEND7 will not only be able to get a better price for the purchase of tokens, but also the opportunity in the future to receive a lifetime passive income in the form of 25% of the LEND7 platform fees. Keep in mind, however, that investors will be given a 4-month lock-in period if they purchase tokens during the private sale phase. And that's all I have for you today. More information about the project LEND7 you can find at the links in the description. If this information was helpful to you, then feel free to subscribe and thumbs up. And don't forget that any investment in cryptocurrency always involves a lot of risk. So be sure to do your own research.